Yep.
What is up, guys? I'm back here for vlog number 2. I meant to wake up a lot earlier today. I pulled an all-out night last night, so I mean I never went to sleep, so technically I never woke up. So today I'm going up to Bridgewater and have a good time. Hopefully, man, I look really gross.
12 seconds later.
We finally made it to Bridgewater, where Kenny and I went to school and balled hard. So I'm gonna try to take advantage of this time and see if we can actually finish the trick shot that we never finished while we were here. It was from the top of the parking garage, so let's go. Waiting for my homeboy to come up the stairs with the basketball. Rose? What's up, Rose? What's up, Rose? How's the stairs? Pretty good.
I'm a little winded. I just went up like 5 sets of stairs.
Sam's gonna try this time.
Yep.
Trick shot was
Yeah, that trick shot was lit, dab. I thought I killed someone, but just being...
I'm sure we would have seen someone.
No, what if it was like a ghost? We would have never known.
Could have been.
Then they're already dead.
A few moments later.
Bridgewater is completely dead, just like I knew it always would be. My bro knows that back there.
Shout out Molly.
She doesn't know. Well, there's a lot of Mollys in the world. She's never gonna know which one I'm talking about.
I am the one, the way you're
Anyway, we're going to the North End to get some Regina pizza. I heard it's really good, but I've never had it before. So we are in the North End, guys, walking down the street.
What a beautiful city. How do you feel about this city?
It's beautiful.
I throw my threes up.
Alright.
What's up, dude?
Come on, puppy.
Oh, that line went away fast. No, just kidding.
What are those?
Lit.
Good. It's so lit, guys. Look at all the people around us. Look at all the people.
We home,
Dude, so much good food to eat. Oh my god. Came out and it looks bomb. So good.
It is bomb.
Oh my gosh. How bomb is it?
Very bomb.
So bomb.
Delicious.
We haven't even had it. Lost odds are he's got to drink the combination of water, whatever this stuff is, Parmesan cheese, and these hot peppers. All in a nice icy cup of water.
Drinking the whole thing.
Look at that. Look at that. Ew. Okay, I just lost odds are, so now I have to eat salt. Oh, can I put it in my hand first?
Yeah. I get to do it though.
I hate salt.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3.
I wish I could say I took that like a champ.
8:01 p.m.
We could pretend it all the time.
That was a bad moment.
What? Yo, what the f, guys? I just got a ticket. $120.
Are you kidding me? Oh, you shitting me?
Dude. Turns out that we parked in a handicapped parking spot.
You weren't even there.
I mean, the sign's right up there, but
It's
we
literally like.
didn't see it.
Fucked up, bro.
There's
I think we need to get lit. I don't know. The last
I
time Angus
promise.
got lit and drove, he started
Angus-
backing up down a hill.
Yeah, right. That wasn't that big of a hill. Didn't count.
She's got those fresh kicks. Oh, I can't zoom in.
Going.
Hi! Hi!
We're still at the gas station and Kenny's lighting the lighter.
I was just gonna kill us. We're in the car.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Single lost odds are she has to go inside and ask to use the pool.
No, see the pool, not use it.
It's too cold outside to use the pool. Okay, go in.
There's so many fancy people in there.
There's a really nice Asian.
Go.
Like she would be very nice
Go.
to talk to.
Let's go. It smells so fancy in here.
It is so
Toasty. Just wait for so I'm gonna go over and ask the question right about now.
So we just want to like look at it.
You lost the bet, you have to do it, so.
She said it's completely off limits because there's no one up there or something.
What I think she's saying is we should have to sneak up.
That's what I'm thinking. There's nobody around. We can literally take it away. Who wants to try? You wanna try?
Dude, you did it. You did it. Press the top one. Oh shit! I thought that I was gonna need a card.
You look kind of little. The rooftop pool. You guys, this is so illegal.
Oh my god.
They said it was off limits. This is so illegal. No.
Probably watching us.
I swear, if we get arrested, oh, it's not even on.
No, it's not even filled up.
You mean we walked all the way up here?
No.
And it's not even filled?
Okay. We went up here.
Yeah, no, we went all the way up.
Damn, dude.
Damn, that
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel.
would have been so cool. So always goes
Someone
wrong.
got their own personal filter.
Kind of savage.
Hashtag vlog, dude! You wouldn't know this.
Do you want to get Cold Stone Creamery?
Blow my whistle, baby.
Angus, you put your pants by.
Dude, I got scared, bro.
You're like, guys.
Okay, because there's cameras up there, bro. We could
no
get
cameras up there.
arrested.
Yeah, just hold on to this too if you don't mind. Okay, just, you know.
Something you don't see every day.
Almost died.
PF Chang's is a big deal. This isn't even the same one we went into. Yes, it is. No, it's not. No, it's not. That's not my car.
No.
Yes,
this
we
is
did.
underneath the same building that we parked.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Where'd I put my car keys?
Oh my god.
Just kidding, they're in my pocket, guys. That would have been really bad though, because I already lost my car keys once. We would have been stuck here.
stairs.
Hit me, please.
Holy, look at that Ferrari, guys.
Nice.
How can a cop afford this Ferrari? Holy crap. Bombest Ferrari I've ever seen in my life. You see this car right here? It's a Ferrari. How's a cop get that car? Tell me, bro. This car. Oh, it's a Lamborghini. I feel stupid.
Ferrari.
It's even better.
That'd be so nice on the skateboard.
This is not our garage. Look at this. This is. Are you serious? You're so. This is not good. Yep. Okay. Thank you. What the heck? Is that a security guard?
That was not safe what you guys did. Where are we?
Odds are, she has to cuss him out.
No, I'm
1
not.
through 10. 1, 2, 3,
2.
10. Oh, you got lucky that time. There's the security guard. Stairs security guard. Oh, by the way, this whole time that we were walking around, we're looking for the car that Sam has evidently lost for us. Whoa! Take it easy. I'm afraid to go in here now. Okay. People don't like it when you vlog. You're always talking to yourself, so people think you're weird.
You are weird.
I just have to shake the camera like this. I can't do that.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think.
Yup, told you I could do it.
Hopefully you guys are getting as much enjoyment out of watching whatever that was as I did. Grabbing my skateboard, gonna go take this thing down that thing. Wow, what a long day. Just got home pretty late in the morning. I'm wearing a different shirt because I'm tired and I'm about to go to bed. But overall, I think it was a pretty good day. Since recording this video, I will say a lot of stuff has happened. Not all of it good, but I'm going to definitely talk about it in the next couple of vlogs. So that should be interesting for you guys. I'm trying to get better with each vlog. So I know it might not be that good, but I appreciate anyone who watches and sticks around to the end. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, if it made you laugh or anything in any way, just make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, peace.